parang soul na laro lang talaga, gano'n. Yes. We are going to Assembly Hall? Hindi ko alam sa'yo. Yan! So, kung interesado kayo malaman na nangyayari sa araw namin ngayon, please keep on watching our yellow driver. Say hi! Sino gusto mong batiin?
I just want to say hello! Pinagtitripan na talaga sila, men. Kung nanonood, alam ko kung sino no. Dan! Si Dan! Panoorin mo to, Dan, ha?
Ay, si Timban!
Hi, Timba!
Serena! Ano?
Sino gusto mong batiin?
Sino gusto mong batiin?
Sabihin mo na yung nararamdaman.
Lahat na nanonood dyan. Lahat na nanonood na. Yeah! Magiging highlight na rin ako. Hanggang panoorin ba? Hanggang mabota pa.
Oo, sila. Bastos.
Bastos.
Hoy, Le, manoorin mo na kasi.
Kaya nga, hindi nanonood.
Okay,
Galit
Le.
ako sa'yo,
Tulog
Le.
lang, tulog.
I'm so tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love. Just wanna go home, wanna go home, wanna go home. Oh, so tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love. Just wanna go home, wanna go home, wanna go home. Oh, party, trying my best to be so.
Tapos na yung
Party,
assembly, guys.
everybody around me's falling in love to our song.
Hindi ko pala napakita, guys, yung OOTD ko. So, itong Sunnies. From Sunnies. And itong dress na akala ko magpa-prom. And then, yung aking shoes is from Stradivarius. Oh, yan. Bigyan ni Ate Chin. Hello, Ate Chin. Char. And itong ano ba tong bracelet na to? From Bulgari. From Tita Adela. Charut. And itong earrings ni Zen from Korea. And yung mga rings, of course, from Lovisa, guys.
Yeah, oh yeah, hate it. Taking the shot 'cause I can't take.
Baba, say hi. Tell to them what you wanna play. What do you wanna play? Hi, Dar!
Hello, you guys.
Charot. Guys, if you're interested na malaman yung damit ni Dar,
Okay, I don't
Makeup.
Makeup. Didn't do anything, but my makeup. My eyeshadow is from Huda Beauty,
yeah!
the new palette, the new one, and
Uh-huh.
my lip is from Colourpop Gold Digger.
Gold digger.
Legit, and my whole outfit, my dress basically, is from Forever. Or in Philippines, it's Avenue. Yeah.
Ever new?
I don't think that they make anything that strong. So I hold on.
Galing, meron tayong videographer over there, guys. IGTV, check out.
Tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love. Just wanna go home, wanna go home, wanna go home. Oh, so tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love songs, tired of love. Just wanna go home, wanna go home, wanna go home. Oh, strangers, killing my lonely nights with strangers. And when they leave, I go back to our song. I hold on,
So guys, I'm gonna be ending this vlog na. See you soon on my next vlog. Thank you for watching.
Like you're still around. Can't